This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Warning: the engine must be completely cool before beginning this procedure. Antifreeze is highly toxic if ingested. Never leave antifreeze laying around in an open container or in puddles on the floor. Always dispose of antifreeze properly. Pull the hood latch inside the vehicle, then slide the hood release lever and raise the hood upward. Draining: remove the coolant reservoir cap. Apply the parking brake and block the wheels. If the vehicle has just been driven, wait several hours to allow the engine to cool down before beginning this procedure. Raise the front of the vehicle and support it securely on jack stands. Move a large container under the radiator drain plug to catch the coolant. Remove the portion of the splash guard liner under the engine that blocks access to the drain plug. Then attach a suitable hose to the drain fitting. Open the radiator drain plug and direct the coolant through the hose into the container. While the coolant is draining, check the condition of the radiator hoses, heater hoses, and clamps. Replace any damaged clamps or hoses. Close and tighten the radiator drain plug, then remove the hose attached to the drain fitting. Flushing: place the heater temperature control in the maximum heat position. Slowly fill the cooling system with clean water into the coolant reservoir until it reaches the cold fill mark. Install the reservoir cap. Start the engine and allow it to reach normal operating temperature, then rev up the engine a few times. Turn the engine off and allow it to cool completely. Drain the system using the same method described previously. Repeat these steps of refilling with clean water, running the engine, then draining the system until the water being drained is free of contaminants. Refilling: close and tighten the radiator drain plug. Install the splash guard fasteners. Lower the vehicle. Make sure the heater temperature control is in the maximum heat position. Slowly refill the coolant reservoir with a proper mixture of coolant until coolant is 1/2 inch above the cold fill mark. Install the reservoir cap. Start the engine and run it in a well-ventilated area until the thermostat opens. Coolant will begin flowing through the radiator and the upper radiator hose will become hot. Turn the engine off and let it cool. With the engine cool, remove the reservoir cap and add more coolant mixture to bring the coolant back up to the correct level. Install the reservoir cap. Keep a close watch on the coolant level and the various cooling system hoses during the first few miles of driving and check for any coolant leaks. Make sure the hose clamps are tight and add more coolant mixture as necessary.